I will introduce you to everyone, the software that MTK has. Here it will be. We're going to go into the account interaction function. This is in the interaction section of this account. Then we'll add the script over here. It has this extra script. I'm going to create a script for Nick. Next, let me explain a little here. Some of these actions, well, that's an example. Skimming messages, it's an act of this. Making friends in the video is an act of this. Then here we will. It depends on the number of actions, is that we're going to accumulate in the boxes down here. This product, each cell is equivalent to an action, surfing the news, so this is in seconds, people. Seconds, we can be 3050 seconds, for example. New feed. And watch the video, for example, we want to. How do we normally watch videos? About how long it takes to see. We will like some of the articles above. On this page, we're going to watch a little video. Watch 1 to 2 videos. Then, if you... We want, when we interact with friends, we get back in friend interaction section. So in this friend interaction, we can be like some of these friends posts. Then we can be friends. I suggest a few. Group interaction. And here's the configuration. It's a natural configuration. And if we want a Theo ID, it is okay if we want to make friends with AI or like a we will fill in the ID. Come in here, but let it be. Nick, it's most natural. We'll make accounts. Friends have already made friends and then group interaction. So this group interaction is, it can join groups automatically for everyone. I bought Nick, but this is when we're greedy. Buy Nick harder. When we join a series. Always let us post for it to work, and not, oh, tearing way, we're participating here too. Well, here we can interact with some of these. This page. We will enter the fan page ID here. We'll have some fan pages here. For example, I have a fan page. But we have to change this fan page to re-ID. Little. I will change this USB. We will have an ID. Everyone can put as much as they want. We'll leave a line. I'll get some more IDs. Let me guide everyone. These A's have numbers. Then I just need to put it in here. We're just staying. And it's going to interact with things. This page. Then it may like some of the articles in the fan page. And then we're going to look at these actions, 1 or 2 of these. In 4 years 6 we have 7. 8 we've checked in 8 cells is equal to 8 actions. Then here we will let the numbers. For example, let's say we have 5 actions out of a total of 8. Then it will perform 5 actions in random in 8 actions. And if we leave it here, 9, for example, it performs all 8 actions. And if we put BA here, for example, it only does 3 actions. BA any action on Cho. 8 actions. I usually give it about 4 actions. We will have half. Here is the waiting time. It means the time it takes to complete an action. What will it do? Normal time is 510 seconds. So this is a configuration to help people maybe run daily interactions. For the Nicks to run from 7. 7 days will fall on us. Just do a little bit of this if you get Nick back. Then everyone should refer to the new Nick farming or the video viewer configuration. Yours was created before. Here we will stay. This is immediately. We're going to have more of these accounts. In order to maintain the account, we will choose. Select this cell, then we will select this configuration. Then we'll just press start. When you press the start button, immediately the children nick this, it will be stolen. And it starts to act. And it's going to run in exactly the configuration that I've chosen. When we feed Nick, we are completely can do other things. We open up Facebook. We can do completely different things. Our computers will not be affected. A little bit of everything. Everyone. Here we are. Do other things render video or make content? Or types. This software will work automatically for everyone. That's one of the strengths of this software. It doesn't occupy my space. Here you can see his hips gliding by themselves. This tongue acts on its own. This is the basic Nick feed configuration that will feed Nick every day. Let the Nick, it will be harder. Beyond that, there will be rules. Newer. We're going to have systems like this. I want to join this group or interact with this later. I'm going to add these configurations. Let Nick have it more. Please allow me to make the video short. So we'll continue to see each other in videos. Next, hello everyone.